Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your mobile browser to Forms. Google. Com to start creating a form. Sign in with your Google account so your form saves to Drive. If the page looks limited, open Browser Settings and enable Desktop Site. Enabling Desktop Site shows the full editor toolbar and section controls. Use Chrome or Safari for best compatibility and reliability on Android or iPhone. Keep your device unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi for smoother. Tap the plus icon in the top toolbar to add a new form and title it. Add questions by choosing types like multiple choice, short answer, or drop-down from the menu. For each question, set required toggles and add helper text where needed. Use the palette icon to pick theme colors and upload a header image from your phone. Rearrange questions by dragging the 6-dot handle. Save changes as you work. Edits sync automatically to Drive. Tap the send button to share your form by email, link, or social apps from your phone. Copy the short link or use the QR code option if available for quick distribution. Turn on collect email addresses to track respondents and limit to your domain when required. Open the Responses tab to see summaries, charts, and individual answers immediately. Link responses to a Google Sheet to analyze data, sort columns, and export CSV for offline work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.